Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm gonna solve CSSE Exams question 2025, the question number 1 and question number 2. These are the very easy question, but we are just going to recap for this topic. So very simple, very easy, simple addition. So 6 to 5 plus 1 is 6. You can pause the video and try to solve and come back later and check your answer. So it means you're gonna solve this question. So 6. So I'm gonna say 6 to 5 plus 1, 8, 9. Yeah. So your answer will be 4 is 1 and 8. Yeah. So the answer is 814. Yeah. So this is the answer for the question number 1A. Yeah. And the question number 2 is a subtraction. It says that the question number 2 is 4, 3, 1. Take away 86. Yeah. So it means you can't take away 6. So you can cancel 3 by 2 and okay, so it means 11 take away 6 is 5 and 8 can't go by 2, so you can borrow from next, which become 3, and 12 take away 8 is 4, so the answer is 345. So the first one is 814. Yeah, okay. And the second one is 345. Okay. And that question number 1C is okay. Look at this one. So it says what number we're going to add to get the 5. So very simple. Okay. So if you add, the number, what number we're going to add, okay, to get the is a 5. So it's likely 15. So 7 plus 8 is 7 plus 8 is 15. 1 is a carry, is here, so it means 3. What number we're going to add to get the 6? So if I'm gonna put 3, and then if I'm gonna say 6 is there, so what number we're going to add here is going to be 13. Yeah, so it means I'm gonna put here 7. So 7 plus 6 is 13, and is 1 carry, so it means 2 is your answer for this one. So the missing blank we filled by, okay, so missing numbers, right? Okay, so as per the addition questions, now come to the question number 2. Okay, this is for the recap for the topic for the fractions. Okay, addition, subtraction on divisions of fraction. Very simple, very easy. What you're going to do it the question number 2A. So I'm gonna do as a fraction 1 3 8 and plus 1 over 3. Yeah, go back and check my video. If denominator are not common multiples, so you're gonna use butterfly method. So what I'm gonna do it, okay, keep separate this whole number, and now you solve just only the fraction if the question is addition. So 3 over 8 plus 1 over 3. Yeah, and use the butterfly method. So it means 8 times 3 is 24. Okay, and then 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, and 1 times 8 is 8. So it means you get 17 over 24, right? Okay, so look at this one, 17 over 24. Now you know that, okay, there is a whole number we separate, so you can write here 1 as a whole number. So the one whole number 17 over 24 is your answer. So I'm gonna write here 1 17 24. Okay, so this is your final answer for the question number 2A. Now back for the question number 2B. Yeah, so the question number 2B is what you're going to do it in case of you are subtracting fractions. So make sure you need to convert to the mixed number to the improper fraction. So the first step, what you're going to do it, okay? So we're gonna write here 4, 2, 5, yeah, okay, and minus 5 over 8. So the first step, I'm gonna convert to the mixed number. 4 times 5 is 20, yeah, okay, 20, and you need to add this number 2, so it's going to be 22. So I'm gonna write here 22 over 5 minus 5 over 8. And again, look at this one. What both denominator 5 and 8 are not common multiples. So what I'm going to do is very simple. Use the butterfly method. So 5 times 8 is 40. Yeah, okay. And now what we're going to do, 8 times 22. So 8 times 2 is 16. So 6 is there, right? Okay. And 8 times 2 is 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. So 176. And now is 5 times 5 is 25. Yeah. So what we're going to do is 176 take away 25, which is equal to 151 over 40. Yeah. So it means you can get 151. Yeah. So 151 divided by 40. And now numerator higher than denominator. So you need to convert to mixed number. Yeah. Okay. So let me write down. Okay. So we go for the bus method, and the bus method it says 151. Okay, and we are divide by 40. So 40 times 3 is 120, and the remainder is 31, right? Okay, so it means your answer is 3 whole number 31 over 40. Yeah, so it means the answer for the question number 2 is 3 whole number 31 over 40. Now come to the last question. Very easy, very simple question. Question number 2C. Okay, so if I'm gonna write here is a 18. 18 divide sign going to be changed to the times. Okay, we flip the fraction, is going to be 4, is going to be 4. 4 over 3, and as you say 18 as a numerator, nothing is there, so I can write as a denominator 1. So very simple cancellation. So 3 times 1 is 3, and 3 times 6 is 18. And now what you're going to, you multiply 6 times 4, which is 24. Yeah, so this is the easiest page for CSSE exams. Okay, these are the simple 6 marks, you can get them easily. Yeah, okay, so hope you like this video. Please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.